Former Mumbai Police Chief Parambir Singh had a tough day in court today as his petition requesting a CBI investigation against Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh was heard by the Bombay High Court. He was repeatedly asked why no FIR was filed on his allegations against the minister. You are a police commissioner. Why should the law be set aside for you? The court asked. Are police officers, ministers, and politicians all above the law? Are you saying that you are above the law? The Bombay High Court Chief Justice C.J. Datta said in stern remarks during the arguments. The Bombay High Court said that the FIR is the first step in any investigation. The court said, we cannot throw aside laws just because the Home Minister and Chief Minister are involved. If a PM is involved, who will investigate? You want a superpower from the outside. After hours of back and forth, the High Court reserved its order in the case. Parambir Singh, who was recently replaced as Mumbai Police Chief, has alleged that he was targeted only because he had complained to the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray about Anil Deshmukh, listing several allegations including extortions and illegal transfers. This is on the basis of his petition seeking a probe. These are hard facts coming from the person who occupied the highest post in the police force in the city and from someone who has served for more than 30 years, Parambir Singh told the court. The court then questioned why no FIR was filed. There has to be an FIR to investigate. Who stops you from filing an FIR? Prima facie observation is that there can be no investigation without an FIR, it said. The petition prima facie has no basis, the court said, adding that without the FIR, there is no scope for us to exercise our jurisdiction. When Parambir Singh argued that even a simple letter to my lords can become a PIL, the court replied, you are a police officer. If you find an offence has been committed, you are duty bound to file an FIR. Why did you not do it? You are failing in your duty if you don't file an FIR when you know an offence has been committed. Simply writing letters to the Chief Minister won't do. We can pull you up for it. An FIR, the court said, was the fundamental thing, and without one, there could be no investigation. The High Court even said earlier it was not rampant that FIRs were not registered. We should all feel ashamed that we are giving the liberty to the police to decide whether an FIR is registered or not. In an explosive letter to the Chief Minister after his transfer, Parambir Singh alleged that Home Minister Anil Deshmukh had asked police officers, including Sachin Vaze, to collect 100 crore rupees each month from bars and restaurants. The petition also accused Anil Deshmukh of corruption in police transfers and postings based on allegations by an IPS officer, Rashmi Shukla. Deshmukh has denied the allegations, of course, which have caused a rift between the ruling coalition partners Shiv Sena and NCP. Can you show us from the complaint first hand that the Home Minister said this in your presence? The High Court asked Parambir Singh, apparently referring to the extortion charge. Is there any affidavit from the officers saying that the Home Minister has said this to me? The court asked, to which the former police chief said he had discussed the subject with Uddhav Thackeray, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and NCP Chief Sharad Pawar also. He said, I mentioned the perpetrators of the crime. My pleas have not been paid heed to. I have no other place to go, Parambir Singh said. He also said that he initially approached the Supreme Court, which asked him to approach the High Court, while calling it a serious case. Parambir Singh argued that the Supreme Court's observations were very strong and weighty. He said that he had no other remedy but to approach the court. To this, the High Court said, if a person of the rank of police commissioner says that, then what about the general public? Leave your comments and thoughts about this latest development in the comment section below. We can chat about this on Instagram. My handle is @ReviewRon. Subscribe here if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't do any of this, as always, thank you so much for watching.